Everyone. So the question today is there are n sticks and two players and both the players are playing optimally. So from the n sticks, each of the player in their turn can remove either one stick, two sticks or three sticks. So when both players play optimally and then n sticks were given, who will win? The first player or the second player? This is the question. So, this is a basic question in game theory. So, for all those who don't know in game theory, I'll be telling some little basics in game theory. So, there will be two things in game theory. First is winning position, and the second one is losing position. You have to classify which positions are winning positions and losing positions first, and check for a relationship between the winning positions and losing positions, then you will be able to solve the question. For example, let's check for very small cases first. So, when there is only one stick, okay, the winning condition is whoever picks up the last stick wins. Okay, so if there is only one stick and first player is player A, second player is player B. Okay. If there is only one stick, then the first player will pick the stick and player A wins, right? Okay. And if there are two sticks, the first player is playing optimally. This is the very key word here. Optimally means they always try to win. So there are two sticks. So the first player whoever is playing, that is A here, will pick these two sticks and he will win. And if there are three sticks, the first player who is playing will remove all the three sticks and he'll win. So this is, let's talk about the case of first person only. We will talk about first person's perspective, whether it is a winning position or a losing position. So this is a winning position for the first person. This is a losing one. Sorry, this is also a winning one. And this is also a winning one. Now, here comes the interesting part. Let's analyze when there are four sticks. Okay. When there are four sticks, what the first person can do? He can either do one stick, two sticks, or three sticks, right? When he remove one stick, what he gets? Three. When he remove two sticks, he get two. When he remove one stick, three sticks will be remaining. When he remove two sticks will be remaining. And when he remove one stick, three sticks. When we remove three sticks, one stick will be remaining. Okay? Minus 1, minus 2, and minus 3. Right? Okay. So, as we all know, 3 is a winning position. 2 is a winning position. 1 is also a winning position. From this position, whatever the step we do, we always go to the winning position. So, here this person has no other choice but to take any of these three. But these three all are the winning positions. So, this finally is a losing position. This is the important distinction that we have to make. So, this is the first losing position that we have classified. So, let's take the case of 5. We'll get more clarity here. So, when there are 5 steps, what are the steps that we can take? So, remove 3 sticks, remove 2 sticks, remove 1 stick. When we remove 3 sticks, 2 sticks will be remaining. When we remove 2 sticks, 3 sticks will be remaining. When we remove 1 stick, 4 sticks will be remaining. Right? So, we know 2 is the winning position, 3 is a winning position, but 4 is a losing position. Right? Just think, if you are the person who was playing the game and you were given with 5 sticks and you of course want to win. So when you calculate the boost, these are the 3 steps that you can take and you know that what will you take? You will definitely remove one stick and give the losing position to the other person, right? So, if there is at least one losing position from a position, that position will be classified as a winning position. Okay? And from a position, if you take any step and it will lead to a winning position, then it will be classified as a losing position. This, this here is something so important and something so basic and so logical that we always do without knowing when we play games, right? So from a position, if you take any step and that all leads to winning positions, then it is a losing position. And from a position, if any of the step leads to a losing position, then it is a winning position. Okay. So, okay. Then let's take 6 and analyze what's happening. So when we take 6, what can we do? We can either remove 3, we will get 3 sticks. We can either remove 2 and we will get 4 sticks. We can either remove 1 and we will get 5 sticks. This is a winning position. This is also a winning position. And this is a losing position. So at least, sorry for my handwriting. Yeah, this is a losing position. Yeah, at least one losing position and this will lead to a winning position, right? So what's happening here? Let's take the case of 7 also. 7, we remove 3, we get 4, we remove 2, we get 5, we remove 1, we get 6. Okay, 4 is a losing position. Lose, this is a winning position, this is a winning position. So overall, it's a winning position. So have you seen this? Win, 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 and then lose. Win, 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 and then again we get the losing position. Why is this happening like this? So why does it happen like this? So the answer is a person can remove either 1, 2 or 3, right? So first 3 positions are winning positions and then in the next position when you get 3 consecutive winning positions and the next person, see, think of this, when you have 1, 2, 3, 3 consecutive winning positions and here the next person is either one stick he will go to a winning position, 2 sticks remove, he will again go to a winning position, he removes 3 sticks also, then he also goes to a winning position, right? So this is a losing position. And then we have 5, 6 and 7. Okay. So here, why are the next 3 coming as winning? Here, fifth one, when you see there is a, you can remove 1, 2 or 3. So from a losing position, plus 1, from a losing position, plus 2, from a losing position, plus 3. You will get all winning positions. Okay, because when you know that there is a losing position somewhere, so the losing position plus 1 is something which is a winning position because that position minus 1 leads to a losing position, right? So this is the case. 3 winning positions, then losing position. 3 winning positions, then losing position. So 4, 8, 12. So, are you able to see the relationship 4, 8, 12? The multiples of 4 are losing positions for the first person, and all the remaining numbers are winning positions for the first person. What is the final conclusion that we made from the observation? If n is divided by 4, then it is a losing position, else it is a winning position for the first player. That's it about this question. So this question basically introduces about a winning position and a losing position for a player, and how we go from a winning to a losing or losing to a winning and the relation between them. That's all for this video.